All right, guys, today we're going to do systems with 3 variables. Instead of just x and y, they're going to have x, y, and z, and they take a second to do. Just trust me, they take so long to do, we're just going to do one of them on the video. So here we go. Does that scare you? Hope not. Okay, I'm going to give you one strategy to do these things, and it's not a great one, but it is a strategy, so we're going with it. First thing, we're going to take the first equation and recopy it. We're going to do elimination 3 times to make this how we want it. Okay, so what I'm going to do next is I'm going to circle that 2x because I want that 2x to disappear. I want to eliminate it. So to eliminate that, I'm going to multiply the whole top equation by -2. So make that -2x minus 8y plus 2z is 14. And I'm going to add that to my second equation. You can already tell what's going to happen. I can't tell if that was it was a minus. The 2x is going to disappear, which is what I wanted to happen. So if I add those, that's gone. I get -9y plus 4z is 29. And what that is right there, that represents my new second equation. So it's -9y plus 4z is 29. Now, I'm also going to circle my -3x down there because I'm trying to eliminate all the x's, okay, except for the first one. So I'm still going to use the first equation, except this time I'm going to multiply the whole first equation by 3 to make that -3x go away. So I get 3x plus 12y minus 3z is -21. Bring down the third one, -3x plus y minus 3z is -22. Add them together, I get that. That's 13y minus 6z is -43. That's my new third equation right there. 13y minus 6z is -43. Now, when you get there, what we've done so far is I've gone from 3 variables, 3 variables, 3 variables to 3, 2, 2. All right. What I need to end up with is a 3, 2, 1. So what I'm hoping to get is 3 variables in my first equation, 2 variables in my second equation, which I already have, by the way. And I just need 1 variable in my third equation. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick one of either the y or the z in this equation to get rid of, and I'm going to pick the z because it's a lot smaller and there's a 4 above it. So I'm going to do elimination with those two. So I'm thinking, what do 4 and 6 both go into? They both go into 12. So I'm going to multiply that equation by 3, which gives me -27y plus 12z is, 87. I'm multiplying this one by 2. And the reason I'm picking 2 there is because that makes that -12z. So my z's are about to go away. And it also gives me -86, which is very convenient. So if I add these up, look what happens. 12z's are gone. I get -1y is +1, which means y is really -1. So there's my y. Y is -1. Awesome. Okay. Now the fun part begins. That's most of the work. Your job is to find out what x, y, and z are. I found y. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take that y and I'm going to substitute it back in, to the y in the second equation. So it would look like -9 times -1, which would be +9, plus 4z is 29. If I move that 9 over, I get 4z is 20, which means z is 5. There's my z. So I got y, I've got z. All I need now is my x. So to get the x, all I'm going to do is, I'm trying to make it a little smaller. There we go. I'm going to plug my y and my z back into my top equation. So it looks like this, x plus 4 times -1 is -4, minus z, so I'm going to put -5, is -7. That makes it x minus 9 is -7. Move the 9 over, be a +9. That's 2. So here's my answer. My x is 2, my y is -1, my z is 5. And guys, that's all you got to do. I mean, that's it, right? We did elimination 3 times, plug the y back in, plug the z back in. We had it. All right, so no big deal. I'm being very sarcastic. Believe me, we'll work on this tomorrow when you come in. You may want to watch it again, I don't know. But we got this. We will get it, I promise you. I'll see you then.